In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit TikTok videos in CapCut, whether you're creating content for fun or aiming to grow your TikTok following. Video editing is a crucial skill to make your clips stand out. CapCut is a free, user-friendly video editing app packed with features that can help you produce eye-catching videos that fit TikTok's format perfectly. If you're new to CapCut or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from setting up your project to exporting your final video. If you don't already have CapCut on your computer, you can find a download link in the description below to get started. To begin, make sure you've downloaded and opened the CapCut app on your computer. Once you're in, click on the Create New Project option to start working on a fresh video. After that, you'll need to import your video clips. Simply click the Import button, then select and upload the footage you want to edit from your computer. This step is essential because it ensures that all the clips you plan to use are readily available in your media library. Now, just a quick tip. If your footage is currently stored on your phone or camera, be sure to transfer those files to your computer beforehand to avoid any hiccups. Once your clips are imported, you're ready to move them onto the timeline, which you'll find at the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where you'll bring your video together. Think of it as the workspace where you can organize and edit your content. Drag and drop your clips onto the timeline to start laying out your video. Now let's move into editing your video clips. If you need to trim your footage to remove any unnecessary parts, like long pauses or mistakes, click and drag the ends of the clip directly in the timeline. This is a simple way to clean up your content and keep it engaging. If you need to cut a clip into smaller sections, you can use the split tool or press the B key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Splitting clips is especially helpful if you want to insert new footage, delete sections, or rearrange parts of your video. Speaking of rearranging, you can easily adjust the order of your clips by dragging and dropping them into your desired sequence right on the timeline. This is how you control the overall flow and storytelling of your video. Next up, let's adjust the frame to ensure your video fits TikTok's vertical format. Open the Video tab where you'll find options to scale, crop, rotate, and zoom in on your clips. Use these tools to fine-tune the way your video looks. For TikTok, you'll want to set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is TikTok's vertical format, and it ensures that your video fills the screen perfectly without black bars or awkward cropping. After that, it's time to add some creative touches with effects, audio, and text. Start by heading to the Audio tab. Here you can add background music or sound effects to enhance the mood of your video and make it more engaging. If needed, you can also reduce background noise or adjust playback speed to create specific effects. Moving on to text, open the Text tab to add titles, labels, or captions. You can even use the Auto Captions feature, which is a great way to make your video more accessible and keep viewers engaged, even when they're watching without sound. Finally, explore the Effects and Filters tabs to add visual enhancements to your video. These tools can give your content a unique style and help it stand out in the busy TikTok feed. And for the final part, let's export your video. When your edits are complete, click the Export button, which is typically located in the top right corner. In the export settings, adjust the resolution to 1080p and set the frame rate to 30 FPS. These settings are ideal because they match TikTok's video requirements, ensuring your content looks its best on the platform. Once you've adjusted the settings, you can choose to save the video directly to your device or export it straight to TikTok if your account is linked. This makes it easy to get your finished project ready for posting. And that's how you edit TikTok videos in CapCut. By following these steps, you've learned how to create, edit, and export high-quality videos that are perfectly tailored for TikTok's format. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in a future video, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.